Hello, this is Åsa with another scrapbooking process video. Today I'm reliving a bit of summer. We actually had such a wonderful summer this year, and I think it was many years since I experienced a heat wave, because we actually had a heat wave. and both hubby and me managed to get our vacation time right in the middle of that heat wave. So we had a lovely time off from work this summer, and the kids got to bathe a lot in the garden, in our little kiddie pool, and it was really nice. We also went a lot to the beach, and we went to see a lot of things. So it was a great summer. These 3 photos are of my kids in the kid pool in the garden, and it's just one of those really small play pools that you can just cool off in and splash water on each other and play a bit with the water. And it's since it's rather small, the sun warms up the water really quickly, so it's ideal for our climate here in the north, where we have a lot of sunshine and not that much warmth. So we always have one of those in the gardens when it's summer, and the kids love it, and they always end up in the pool when it's filled, so they don't care much about how cold it is in the air. But as I said, this summer was really hot. I will use 3 photos, 2 close-ups of my kids, and then a shot from a distance where you can see more of the garden and the house. And the cat is also in the photo. I think it's the large cat, so I couldn't cut him out, because I think it was a lovely photo bomb there. So instead of matting the photos on pattern paper, I mat them on white cardstock and put washi tape along the edge. I used a narrow tape that had a color that really fit the pattern paper background from Bow Bunny that I have chosen. I had a little paper bag that I cut in half and placed behind the photo block. I line it up with the ruler, and then I start with the embellishments. This embellishment process took like forever, so I have cut away some of it at a couple of different places, because I just kept moving around those different small cards like forever. So I thought I'd keep this video to at least to 12 minutes and not more, so I've cut away some of the changing and lifting and changing and lifting. I decided to use up a lot of the bits and pieces that I've had in a big pile, because I'm starting to feel that I've seen all of them too many times, if you know what I mean. I want to use them, and I want to use more than just 3 or 4 on a page, so I decided to make a real dent in this stash and use many. And I also think that using a lot of these embellishments on one page makes a really festive and happy feel to the layout. I also used lots of those small words that are tiny and give a little bit of something to the spot where they're added. I wasn't sure about that high sunshine block there, because it had white and the page had very little white in other places, but I realize it's still there when I look at the finished layout, so I guess it's stuck anyway. Instead of gluing everything to the background paper, I glue it to the photo block, which is still moving around on top of the background. I don't know why I do this. I often realize that I do it, but I can't really say why. I think it's kind of me being afraid of actually placing anything onto the background paper. But it works for me, so it's okay. I just keep adding and adding and adding. I try to use some of those vellum pieces that I made and stamped and embossed, but I don't think they get to be in the page. I find some wood veneer words, bubbles and arrows, that I thought looked perfect. The arrow with love points at both the kids in the pool, and the cat says hello, and then there's a small wow at the bottom by the strawberry. We don't have a huge garden, but it's perfect for us. It's quite normal size for this part of town, and we have lived here for 4 years. And now we have taken away lots of the bushes that were here when we moved in. There were flowering bushes everywhere, and somehow it didn't fit us. So we have taken away lots of those, and lots of rose bushes. Not the beautiful kind of roses, but the bushy and shrubbery kind of bushes, roses that didn't fit with a family with children, because they were nasty, and you just got hurt when you were when you were close to them. So we have instead planted things that you can eat, because it's fun when you're a kid, so that you can have strawberries and raspberries and apples and vegetables directly from your own garden. And this year was also the first year that we got grapes, and they were totally delicious. I didn't really know that we could grow grapes this far north, but we can. I'm picking out a package of small plastic droplets. They look a bit like water droplets on the page, and I've had them in my stash for a long time, and I thought they fitted perfectly with this theme, where there's water all over the place. I also use up some small foam stickers that I've also had in my stash like forever, and it was really nice to actually be able to put away finish up 2 packages of embellishments on this layout alone. These stickers I bought online from AliExpress from China, and I don't think they really fit on this layout, or probably will do better in a journal or something like that, but I will use them when I think it's appropriate. I had a lot of problems with the title for this page, because I wanted to write it on that vertical empty space to the left of the whole block, but it didn't fit. I needed to do something else, so I wrote with tiny letter stickers, and I wrote Badsommar of 2014, and this is pretty much it. I also drew a pen line all around the page to like a frame. I'm adding a couple of small butterflies that are die cut, and it will kind of be the final touch to this kind of chaotic layout. But it has that summer feel with lots of statements and the feeling of warmth and playing in the pool. Here is a still photo of the finished layout. The colors are a bit brighter. I'm still struggling with the lighting for my filming, but you can see here that both the photo and the other colors are really clear and bright and happy, warm and sunshiny. I hope you like this process video and that you enjoyed watching and listening. See you soon. This is Åsa. Bye bye.